Problem number 3, exercise 13.2. There is a container. The shape of the container and all that is given in the diagram, but we have nothing regarding it in the problem. Okay, the problem does not concern the shape of the container. So don't get confused. It is just given. You cannot drop all the jamuns on the page itself. No, so they have given a container. That's all. Now start from here. The shape of the jamun is a cylinder with hemispheres on both the ends. So you have hemisphere on the left side and you have another hemisphere on the right side. How many jamuns are there? 45 jamuns. One jamun will have 30% of sugar syrup. The remaining only is made up of the jamun. Okay. Then dimensions are given for the cylinder and hemisphere. See what are the dimensions given here. It is given as 5 cm and 2.8 cm diameter. This is the length of the entire jamun, not just the cylinder portion. Okay, so for the entire jamun the length is 5 cm and the diameter is 2.8 cm. Using this we have to find out the height and radius of the cylinder, also the radius of the hemisphere. Then only we can do the remaining problem. Here I have drawn the shape of the jamun. Middle you have a cylinder and on the left side and right side you have two hemispheres. So I have noted down cylinder 1 and 2 hemispheres. Number of jamuns is 45. The length of the jamun is given as 5 cm and diameter was given. Remember, I have written the radius. Now we have to find the dimensions of the cylinder. The jamun's radius is 1.4, means for the cylinder and the hemisphere both the radius will be 1.4 only. Then we have to find only the height. Total height is 5. This side you have a 1.4 radius of the hemisphere. On this side you have another 1.4. Totally it will be 2.8. So 5 minus 2.8, it is equal to 2.2. It is the height of the cylinder. Now first we find the volume of one jamun. What is the volume of one jamun? Volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of hemispheres, because there are two hemispheres. Substitute the formula pi r square h plus 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. So what will you get? 22 by 7, that is pi is common, r square is common. Inside you will have h plus 2 into 2 4 by 3 and 1 r will be remaining. Now what we have to do is substitute the radii. R is 1.4, h is 2.2. This is what we have to substitute. Now when I make the substitution, I have made a small adjustment. Instead of writing 1.4, I am writing 14 by 10 to remove the decimal number. But here I am keeping as it is, because we are going to do addition. I have kept it as it is. 22 by 7 into 14 by 10, r square, no, so 14 by 10, 14 by 10 into h was 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into r again, so 1.4. Multiplying, see we can cancel this. I told no, we will try to cancel as much as possible. If it is not possible to cancel, we will do the multiplication. So when you multiply here by taking LCM, you will get 6.6 plus 4 into 1.4, adding I get 12.2, divided by this 3 is there. Now there is nothing to be cancelled, so let the 100 be as it is. You must simplify the remaining numbers and keep decimal point. You will get 25.05 centimeter cube. This is the volume of one jamun. How many jamuns were there? 45 jamuns are there. So volume of 45 jamuns means this one you have to multiply by 45. This is the volume of the entire jamun. But a jamun will have how much sugar syrup? It has only 30%. It was given in the question. 30 by 100 into volume of 45 jamuns. So simplifying, we get 338.175 centimeter cube of sugar syrup is present in the 45 jamuns.